great day. My name is Janette Mata and thank you so much for being here with me in another video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to do that because that helps me a lot. And also give it a thumbs up so I can know and start getting to know my English speaking subscribers and kind of like what stuff they like, you guys like. This video will be talking about the trends of 2019 this fall. And I am sure you were already able to tell at the stores, the mall, kind of what these trends are. Maybe some of them are coming back from last year, but there's a few new ones that I'm very excited about and I want to tell you guys about them. So I did think of going to buy like the clothes and like trying on trends and like do like a try on trend haul, I don't know, something like that. But then I was like, no, there is some trends on there that I just don't feel like I want to have those colors in my closet, or I just don't feel they go good with me. So I decided that I will be sharing a link to my Pinterest, so to a Pinterest board that I created with fall outfit inspiration. So you guys will be able to tell what these trends look like, some outfit inspirations, and also I will be putting some pictures here while I'm talking about a certain trend. You're probably wondering, where do these trends come from? Well, every year designers create these runways where we are already, as the public, are able to see what kind of colors they're using, what kind of fabrics they're using and everything, and then from there other designers pick it up, start making their own clothing. And a lot of trends are returning this year, like some of the ones that you see here on their screen. We're gonna be having live in our outfits during this fall, and the reason I say that is because usually we use colors like burgundy, brown that don't have a lot of life, you know, like the color is not very lively. And we're actually gonna be seeing a lot of purples, coral, orange, and like the combination of those colors I would have not really ever put it together on my own if I wouldn't have seen it. And it's actually very, very cool when you see it together. And that is fashion. Fashion is making these type of combinations that you never thought would work, and they work. We're also going to be seeing the color green. So you're going to see very different shades of green, but always like the darker shades of green. And you see them as a top and pants. So a few of the trends this year, I feel it's like dressing all one color. So like all green or all baby blue or all like light pink, and that is pretty cool. I really enjoy that. I already enjoy the all white or all black, so this is definitely like changing it a little bit and it looks really cool. Another of the colors coming back is mustard yellow, which I absolutely love. I remember this was actually last summer where I will see it a lot at the stores. Well, this trend is staying for fall. Another trend that I just talked about and that I really enjoy is wearing the all pink or all baby blue. I wouldn't have thought those colors will be picked for as a trend for fall, since I see it more as a spring or even summer trend. The Versace trend is coming back, and that is such a cool trend, but a trend that I feel that I cannot pull off for some reason, but it's a really cool trend. Cowboy boots, that is something that I really enjoy seeing people wear, especially how they're styling it with the dresses, with long skirts, and with those pants. They're like dressing pants that like flare at the bottom, and that looks super cool. That's something that I probably wouldn't have thought of wearing myself. I had seen it before, but it wasn't something like I could wear. But I think I'm gonna take the chance this fall to try out that trend to see if I like it, and then maybe continue using it the rest of the year. One of the accessory trends is using pins in your hair. I'm sure you guys saw it even before we hit fall, but we're gonna continue seeing it this fall. I'm not sure until how long. I still haven't gotten myself a hold of these pins, but I will. The next trend is animal print. I'm sure you've seen dresses, skirts, a bunch of things of like leopard, snake, and that is definitely a trend this fall. And how I've been seeing it a lot this fall already, it's just like a skirt or like pants and then kind of a sweater, like a very comfortable sweater, like a wool sweater. Unfortunately, here in Las Vegas, I could not wear that yet because it's not that cold, but I'm definitely looking forward to getting myself some of those sweaters. I already have a few skirts like snake print. My loves and I am super excited because as of next week, first week of October, I will be making short videos on Tuesdays, no more than 2 minutes. This is gonna be like mini beauty videos, so don't forget to tune in next Tuesday. And on Fridays is gonna be my regular videos, you know, like super freaking long. Now they're not really long, okay, they're no more than 6-8 minutes. So yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload new videos, and you won't have to remember you have to come back on Tuesday. Automatically you'll get this notification. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and follow me on my social media. And see you guys till next video. Bye!